Hi mga friends and family, halika kain na tayo. Meron ako ditong chicken tinola, yan o, sarap. At meron din ako ditong dalawang turons. And a little bit of rice dahil gusto ko lang talagang kumain ng tinola. Dear God, thank you so much for this food I'm about to receive. Amen. Kain tayo, napakainit nitong aking tinola. Yan o. Nausok pa siya. Ilalagay ko dito sa aking kalapit at talagang gusto kong higupin ng sabaw. Para akong mayroong pasusuhin. Gusto ng sabaw. Sarap ng gulay. Nilagyan ko rin ito ng kaunting sutanghon. At I made also the video if you try to make my tinola. Napakasarap. Ito meron din akong sausawan na patis na may kalamansi. Napakasarap nitong aking tinola. Talagang ito'y Quezon na tinola. Sinong taga Quezon dyan? Pareho tayo ng timpla. Napaka-tender ng chicken. At sinawsaw mo pa sa patis na mayroong kalamansi. Ay nako. Lubugan ko nga itong kanin kong kaunti. May sutanghon din ere. Masarap din may sutanghon. Mas kitag-init din sa amin ay nakakasabik din ang may sabaw. Patis. Aring aking chicken ay chicken wings ay aking pinutol at yung kalahati ay aking ipinrito. Kaya ito ay puro ganyan. Ang sarap ng lubog sa kanin. May luya, oh. Pinatay ko muna yung aking aircon at maingay. Sarap ng sabaw. At saka gulay. Kayo mga friend, anong tanghalian ninyo? Kain na kayo. Masarap talaga ang sariling luto. Cook your own food is the best. Abay, akala ko nung ako'y tumigil mag-restaurant, hindi na ako magluluto. After so many years, I cook again to share my recipe. If you got your good recipe, don't keep it to yourself. Share it to someone. Don't be ashamed to be on camera. Pinapawisan ako nito My next video, I'm gonna shoot to you all. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang magawa ng rellenong bangos. O, sinong interesado dyan sa rellenong bangos? Natutuhan ko yon. I learned about made that rellenong bangos to my housemaid before. I watched her how she do it. Now I'm gonna show it to you all. Just good to live in the Philippines. You got a housemaid live in. Banana turon. My favorite. I have a lot of experience cooking. I work in my hometown waitress for 5 years when I was young. Because my uncle is a Chinese and I helped them out, you know. I remember I washing the dishes and I cannot reach the sink. I have to stand up on a beer box just to reach the sink to wash the dishes. A lot of experience. I work from 7:30 in the morning, 3 hours break. That 3 hours break, either I go to church or go to school for dressmaking. I graduate to be a dressmaking. I used to sew all my children dress. My 2 daughters, they always the same style, the same colors. But it's not really my hobby to made clothes. I just made for ourselves, for myself, and my 2 daughters. I really love cooking. So I have a restaurant back in the 90s. All my dreams in the Philippines came true here in United States. I have Oriental store, restaurant, making arrange a lot of beautiful flower, and a lot of different kind of I can sell. Now for doing this, cooking, share with you all, eat. This is a good challenge to me, something different. I love it. Some people don't like me eating. Some people don't like me cooking. So they have a problem. All I do is share my knowledge to cook. I'm not ashamed to show my face on the camera. Good lunch, great lunch. Thank you all for watching. Family and friends, please comment below what you think about this video. See you next time.